next is alloys. Alloys are what? Alloys are the mixture of two or more than metal. I have already discussed this thing with you guys. What are these alloys? Alloys क्या है? With two or more than two metals mixed together, or two or more than two metal or one non-metal along with that is mixed together to make a homogeneous mixture. That is called as alloy. Let's see what is written over here. Alloys, that is a mixture of two or more metal or a metal with a non-metal. Find immense application due to better characteristics than the individual metal. An alloy is usually made by making metal in their molten state. क्या करते हैं? Mixing of metal in their molten state. तो first of all, alloy क्या है? As per me, this is also correct, but simplify this little bit. Homogeneous mixture है. Alloy is a homogeneous mixture, and homogeneous is what? Homo is same and geneous is composition, and what composition is in chemistry means उसको बनाने के लिए कौन कौन सी चीजें यूज हुई हैं, वो यूनिफॉर्मली स्प्रेड है मिक्सचर में या क्या है, कंपोजिशन क्या है, कहीं पे अलग है, कहीं पे कुछ और है, कहीं पे कुछ और है. फॉर एग्जांपल, शुगर को जब वाटर में डिसॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ शुगर इन वाटर इज होमोजेनियस. वी कांट जज कि शुगर टॉप पे ज्यादा है, बॉटम में ज्यादा है या कहाँ पे मिडिल में ज्यादा है. सो दैट इज नॉट द क्राइटेरिया ऑफ दैट. होमोजेनियस इज ओवरऑल सेम कंपोजिशन है, सब जगह इक्वली स्प्रेड है. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट chalk and water, तो वी कैन सी दैट वाटर इज but the chalk and chalk is settled down in the weaker. So that is the what? That is heterogeneous. मतलब composition is not same. Somewhere क्या है? Water है, कहीं पे क्या है? The chalk particle है, कहीं बीच में क्या है? थोड़ा सा mix हुआ पड़ा है. तो that is heterogeneous. Hopefully this is understood to you guys. Next is homogeneous mixture है किस चीज का? Metal plus metal का. Metal एक या दो से कितनी भी metal हो सकती हैं, या metal plus non-metal. नॉन मेटल, जो कि क्या देगा हमें? अलॉय देगा. और क्यों बनाया जाता है अलॉय को? यू कैन से ओवर देयर, क्योंकि इसकी जो आती है बेटर प्रॉपर्टीज आएंगी अपने पास, बेटर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स प्रॉपर्टीज, better characteristics. For example, if I take an example, we have heard about the alloying of the car. तो कार के जो टायर रहते हैं उसके टायर के अंदर का जो रिम रहता है, रिम का हम अलॉइंग करते हैं. फाइन. तो someone has told कि उसकी गाड़ी के रिम जो है वो गोल्ड के हैं. फाइन. तो that is not exactly gold. अलॉय कराया गया है उसने अपने रिम्स को, but alloy is not of gold. That will be very costly. We know the price of gold. How much costly it is, है ना. तो गोल्ड का नहीं है. That is the mixture of some copper in that, iron in that. उसको yellowish color दे दिया है, not with the gold only, with the metal which are cheaper than the gold, which are cheaper. जो गोल्ड से सस्ते हैं मेटल्स, उनको क्या करा गया है? मिक्सअप करा गया है चीप मेटल्स को एक साथ, और क्या बनाया गया है? एक बेटर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वाला प्रोडक्ट हमें मिल रहा है, जो क्या है? एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं है, चीप है, और क्या है? ज्यादा टाइम क्या करेगा? ड्यूरेबल रहेगा, नॉट ब्रेक डाउन इजीली. दैट इज विल बी विद द मोर गुड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ओवर द, अगर एक इंडिविजुअल केस पे मेटल कर रहा है या इंडिविजुअल केस पे दूसरा मेटल दे रहा है या नॉन मेटल दे रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गोइंग विद अलॉय, because alloying is very very important. This is the process of making alloy. This is the alloy. Na alloy is but make homogeneous mixture of two or more than two metal or with non metal, or this process is called, making of alloy is called as alloying. जब alloy बनाया जाता है, this process is called alloying. तो alloying is very very important. Nowadays we all are characterized these practices in our day to day life. For example, मैंने आपको example दिया, rim of your car. Fine. So these are the alloy. Otherwise, for example, steel we are using, that is also alloy. That is also कार्बन आयरन मिक्स करके क्या बना रहे हैं? हमारे पास एक अलॉय दे रहे हैं, जिसमें क्या हो रहा है? हम बर्तन जो है स्टील के क्या करते हैं? इजिली वॉश करेंगे ना, वो जल्दी से काले होते हैं. इवन की ब्रेक होती है स्टील, बट आफ्टर 2-3 years स्टार्ट होता है वो चीज भी की खराब हो जाएगा, बट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. जितनी रेंज में वो मिल रहा है, दैट इज क्वाइट इजी फॉर अस. फाइन. सो दिस इज अलॉय. वी नीड टू प्रोसीड फर्दर विद सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दीज अलॉयज. फाइन. So next let's see some examples of alloys and their uses. So first of all, alloy, we are having alloy, the name of the alloy is brass. The approximate composition of this 60% is copper and 40% is zinc. This is the name of the alloy is brass. Same is the bronze along with this. इन दोनों में बहुत confusion रहता है, तो make it clear. Brass is the alloy of copper and zinc only and used for the musical instruments, utensils, electrical fittings के लिए काम आता है. Fine. Another bronze. Bronze is 90% of copper, 10% tin and 2% zinc. क्या difference आया brass और bronze में? उधर 60% of copper है. Here bronze 90% of copper and 10% of tin along with 2% of zinc. So this is the particular composition of this bronze and it is used in the gears, machine bearings, statues and control valves. So this is very very important. Brass and bronze बहुत बारी पूछे जाते हैं. Next is solder. Solder is again the alloy of tin, 63% tin and 37% of lead. So solder is used for the joining electrical wires. किस किस का alloy है? This question will be asked from this alloy like that कि solder is an alloy of dash and dash. किस किस का है? That we need to set percentage. They'll not asking, but metals or non-metal we need to be aware about कि कौन से चीजें mix होके this particular alloy is made of. So in case of solder, 63% of tin and 37% of lead. And another is stainless steel, which is very very commonly we have used in at our homes. So first of all, stainless steel में क्या है? 74% of iron, 18% of chromium and 8% of nickel. So this is stainless steel which we are used. जो हमारे घर पे ग्लास हैं, प्लेट्स हैं, स्टील के बर्तन में हम खाना खाते हैं सब. तो cutlery, tools, household utensils, shaving blades, watch cases, automobiles part, etc. So stainless steel is very very important because we are using a lot of the material made up of this alloy in our day-to-day life. Another one is alloy magnesium. Magnesium is an alloy which is made up of aluminium, magnesium and copper. तीन चीजें मिक्स होके क्या बन रहा है? Magnesium. That is the aluminium, magnesium and copper and used in metal mirrors and scientific instruments. Another is aluminium bronze. Here 90% copper and 10% aluminium. So the case is what? Aluminium bronze. Bronze में क्या था? 90% copper. Majority में copper in 90%. So same is here with the aluminium bronze. So 90% of copper and 10% of aluminium and it is used in aircraft construction. Another is duralium. Duralumin और इसको बोला था duralium. So this is the 95% of aluminium, 4% copper and 1% of manganese. So this is used in the lightweight instrument and aircraft bodies. So these are the some common alloys which we need to be aware about where they are going to play important role in our life. So that's why we need to be aware about this and as the part of the questions and in examination point of view, this is also very important alloys. Fine. So this is not until here. This can be also done in detail in your higher classes in 10th, 11th, 12th. Again you will proceeding this with these all in chemistry. Fine. So that's all for this chapter, metals and non-metals. Now let's proceed further with the question answer part. This is multiple choice question of this chapter. Fine. Thank you.